Mark house that I'm
Hey,
in
did you
with
guys get the guy
enemy
on the barn at 290?
What?
I didn't. Somebody else. Oh.
What?
It must not like me.
What?
We're not capping Sergey's at all. A couple of you guys bounce north. Guy over here on my position. Rest of you guys stay there.
Moving north.
Moving north. Capping. We're capping. Alright, stay here. Get overhead cover. They're trying to walk our center.
But you're dead, yeah?
Yeah. Get inside, guys. Get in the house here. You guys stay in the center. Keep holding that spot. Don't let them get closer. Everybody else get inside, Sergey's. They're bracketing us.
In here, get in here.
Neutralizing.
I have never experienced this fucking
Stay here, stay here.
This is fucking crazy.
Just stay inside, Sergey's.
Holy shit. I'm coming over!
Just stay here. They gotta stop mortaring us to get us, so we'll just let them shield us with mortars. This is mortaring us. Stay here.
This is over here. Amazing. I know that's why I had to
you guys
come
hold that
with
center,
you guys.
please. Don't let that center fall.
It feels nice to know we're safe.
They might be trying to get ready to move. Get ready.
They're trying to get ready, Watch out, eyes out. They might try to get ready to move right now. Just kidding.
They're gonna stop mortaring us when they get ready to push, so just sit tight. Either they're out of ammo or they're slowing down.
Alright, eyes out. They might be starting to push.
Couple more.
Eyes out.
If we got more rounds incoming, then we'll get backside, but for now, get eyes back out.
Keep looking, guys. Keep looking for the enemy team.
Yep.
Okay.
Those would be really close. Get ready to get inside. Alright, get inside.
Everybody get inside.
Those mortars are coming.
Get inside, you're gonna die. Alright.
Cover.
Oh shit. Where are we? Oh shit.
I said it for a reason.
Nice.
Alright.
Next
Next time there's the next lull, guys, just run back outside and defend the game.
Guys, make sure you keep holding that shield mark at the center.
This is fucking awesome.
Bro, someone needs to be streaming this. This will sell
Yeah, someone should really use something about streaming. My shadow plays not working, man. Stay here.
Good job, team. Keep holding, capping.
Someone needs to get in touch with Max.
Nice, dude.
Back outside. Defend close, back
So,
outside.
one grenade could kill us all.
You guys are good.
Oh, awesome.
They're coming from your northwest, very close. Northwest, very close.
Oh yes, 3-5 south, west.
I'm down, medic.
Back,
Watch out, west, enemy west.
I'm down. There's like literally 50 of them pushing in straight west.
Watch west. Everybody watch west right now. They're coming in west
Yep.
hard.
Looking west, guys. West.
Medic, not advantages.
Okay, incoming mortars, guys. Incoming mortars. Get down.
If we get to this two-story and something here.
If we get in there, that'd be fucking fantastic. We're going for it. Woo!
Oh shit, I just took a hit.
Get in here.
What the?